needed some qualifications. I was tired of having no qualifications. The opportunity for builder came up. Learn construction, and I took what I could. It's good here because you learn, like all the people here are pretty cool. Our tutor's good. He helps us in every way possible.
This course is pretty good, I guess. It teaches you a lot. The tutors here are good. They're real polite and yeah.
A lot of great people. Facilities are all good. All the tools are like, it's good to learn how to use the tools.
We've got a drop saw, got a band saw, we've got a bench saw. They're all up there, they're all pretty good brands and all that. We get taught how to safely use them, what happens if things like they jam up, what happens if, I don't know, that something's to fly back on you. Get taught about all of our safety gear for each piece of machinery. And yeah.